originated much earlier than that, it was emphasized upon in the mid-20th century in India by leading figures such as Gandhi.
The word secular means that the state does not promote any religion. An example of secularism is a harvest festival, where people, regardless of their identity or ideals, come together to celebrate a good harvest. This philosophy is the reason that we are here today, the fifth largest economy in the world.
In all the years you've been in school, you've probably seen many acts of violence around you. Do any of us do anything about it? I'm going to talk about something entirely opposite, ahimsa. It not only prevents physical violence, but also helps prevent verbal violence. Is non-violence being practiced in our community or our surroundings?